Looking for the secrets to a joy-filled life? Dive into our quick-fire, 10-question guide and unlock the mysteries to lasting happiness. Grab our exclusive happiness toolkit and start living your most fulfilling life today. Don't wait, happiness is just around the corner, and it's more attainable than you think with our expert tips. Act now and embrace the joy you deserve.
Govind Prakash Arora, founder, son and director. Sukhi Jeevan Anusandhan Kendra. The Almighty had given man all the means to live his life, but man, in the pursuit of material pleasures, made his life a mess. When most of his life was spent in achieving material pleasures and he was afflicted by various diseases, then he started to run around here and there. But, what is the use of repenting now, when the birds have eaten the crop? This is a very old and true saying, but we will not disappoint anyone, and for those who are in our good books, this video is capable of giving a new direction to them and their family. If you wish to always remain healthy and happy and in every situation, you will try to spend some time thanking the Almighty and finding answers to some questions related to keeping yourself conscious and adopt or implement those answers in your life, then you can learn the art of living life even in terrible hardships like us. The Almighty had given man all the means to live his life, but man, in the pursuit of material pleasures, made his life a mess. Are 10 very simple and easy questions related to human life, whose correct answers can change your condition and direction. Question 1. Can an enemy be destroyed without knowing the enemy? Question 2. Can one remain healthy without eliminating the cause of diseases? Question 3. Can suffering be eliminated while the cause of suffering exists? Question 4. No one wants to be sick, yet why do people become sick? Question 5. No one wants to be sad, yet why do people become sad? Question 6. Can a blind person show the way to other blind people? Question 7. Can a person who is himself ill cure the illnesses of others? Question 8. Can a person who is himself sad make others happy? Question 9. Can one get rid of death without knowing the reason of birth? Question 10. Can happiness be based on caste? Are 10 very simple and easy questions related to human life, whose correct answers can change your condition and direction. For the benefit of mankind, Sukhi Jeevan Anusandhan Kendra. Punjabi's House, home number 345 14th. Opposite Krishna Bhavan. Mohalla, Ramnagar, Lucknow Road, Hardoi. Pin code 241001. Uttar Pradesh, India. Note, this is the full postal address. If you are facing any problem, then write a letter or write in the comment box. Do subscribe to the channel and also like and share the video. Terms and conditions will be applicable at all times and at all places. Exclamation mark. The relaxation in terms will be considered only after receiving written and error-free answers to all the questions. Till then, try to live without electricity supply connection, as we have been struggling to survive without electricity supply connection for the last 5.5 years and 6 months in a cement and concrete house located in the middle of the city, without a fan in the scorching heat and without light in the rain and winter. In the month of August 2019, when the whole house was in complete darkness, when I went to the bathroom to urinate at night, I was bitten by an insect and I was in severe swelling and pain for a whole month. Hence we have banned those